You know right, assassinate. Airport and Timaya. Mojana Nanu Shegu Edigu on my eye.
We a free advice. I'm a dema NDC for. Embrace by me bema MPP for sa advice nibi. I mean, some people accepted. Ebi mo so, as usual, ebi di matem fine. Ewo comment box ni mo. Say me no idea na me nim. Idea na me betre MPP. MPP for advice na me mo it was based on the time I so say womonye womo primaries, flag bearership primaries no. Because me hu ne say omo nim no mo koye no close to 2024 factions na ebebem no. Ebia bemo mu elusu election no nti ekame nkwa na komo nya ne ntem ebia 2022 nti omo ya ne 2022 ho na no munim say omo 2 years a womo ede ebesanso aka party for na eden abom so that if they have a chance to win the next election but some people didn't agree say adenti na me just me be say me tre omo de omo nye. It was just an advice and the assemwa esi ewo aflawo me de benam so ama NDC for so a futuo. I know some people will not be happy. Some people might send me audio saying said abi NDC for there womu need to me sir ana any kwan so moye bibi sir but NDC for efa sa advice here omo so ebebo omo pa yenia yenim aflawo hene no togbi fiti amenya fiti ene President Akufo-Addo nsensem a still egusu ko ankrofo tre wo mo adwen adodo na eka say eye President Akufo-Addo wanya de. Some people are also saying say well ohene no na wanya de. It's okay, Ghana for better mo adwen. Na Endra, I was listening to that particular area. I was listening to, I think it was Volta region. Yes, the Volta regional secretary. I stand to be corrected, but NDC Volta regional executive. I've forgotten the person's name and the person's post, but obviously the person is Volta regional executive of the NDC. And then I meet here, Ninsembi no worker, radio so. And a journalist ne bisa na sembi say inti aden na NDC for amowo Volta region sende President Akufo-Addo ama ohene ne tumi anade wakatro ohene ne say ende won konkoye anenti na NDC for mumfa nto mo ho so na monkoye contribution ma ohene no na ohene no emfa nye because ene na President Akufo-Addo worker ende won konkoye na wakansa asem no asem a NDC executive no kan say he ehene he no, NDC phone tia one see the crown fan yet. Me who say it is a missed opportunity for the NDC. It is a missed opportunity for the NDC. If NDC penny for our me, if they want to win the next election convincingly, they want to win the next election because I same way I be any bebre abahon. I'm getting people who are from other places sending me messages saying say they are sympathizing with even the chief of Aflao to say ni bebre abaho. If the NDC want to make the most out of this situation, enya kasa. Se mu betie me amuntie me o. Munim se muntie me, some people will come and attack me enya masem. But enya kasa. NDC for enya kasa. What it? Ben hu ne se mo kasa sami jemfi kasa ne Akufo-Addo anya de okuja to nam radio to radio kasa wonam TV kasa Akufo-Addo anya de he mo beka waka wie bebi edru no enye kasa o. Do something that will make the issue last, or do something that will make people see say at least you've salvaged the issue. Sa suggestion a radio presenter no wo maye NDC executive ne to twene ye no. It is one of the best suggestions that will be at the Bema NDC. Listen, President Nankasa Naka se mon konkoye. E kamen kwa NDC for mu esikafo. You have party members. At least, even in the Volta region, Krano, you have card-bearing members. Mon country mo card-bearing members, no. I don't know the number you people have. Yemfane say, you have in the whole Volta region, NDC for in the whole Volta region, the card-bearing members, no. Only Yemfane say, womu ye 50,000 per krana. Mon control mo say yes remo. Card bearing members no. Would you be into 5 cities pe? 5 cities, 5 cities, 5 cities. 5 cities, 5 cities, 5 cities. Na munya say sika na. Senior president no akache wo hene ne say enyo won no nkonko ye no. Na mo di sika na akoma wo hene no. Say president na na ma otumi say kokoye. Obi eni ha wotua tax ma. Say wo kwa akoye a ana wo kotua project ne so a eye sika. Yesrew ye NDC for sika ye de aba ne eni fakotua so na ye na Ghana fo hu ne say wo hene no senior president no eka ye say kokoye no wa akoye. Obi baka say a buying project. Mind you, it is true a buying project. Now so ye hwan asase so ne ye project no. A buying project all right. Project ne ya buying de. Now so ye hene no na asase so ene ye project no. Sometimes in this country now saying me to say Krobi and they really did well. Me to say Krobi Woma sre abaya se ane ende abayin besi hospital le momo abayin besi hospital le momo woma sre abaya still hospital no emba unim de kurofo ne ye obi agege ntobo kakra ena minya mete se sika wo munya ye eye 800,000 Ghana cedis. Start GH4 ene be report here just about 2 days 3 days ago omunya 800,000 Ghana cedis. Na 800,000 Ghana cedis na wo munya no eno mo ankasa de si hospital e de apɛ enyama egum. And the hospital is operating and it's helping them. Omo hwe enim no aban amba mbebo omo ankasa ji omo sika koyeye. Listen, the side to Saadie way if NDC takes this initiative, the side of it and say aban betumi akase dabi si ye ma NDC for eya adie we ya ye nya aso wo Ghana ha enti bia wo hu se NDC for ye na no so akase ye be ya ade. At the end, Ghanaians will praise NDC for say initiative na mo ye se mo peke no eno na ma ende MPP for asanso aba wo mo be ye because senior president ne kan ye no a lot of people felt say e ade a wo mo nye. Listen to what I'm saying very well. Now wuti abe hu ne say nyansa wo. It will even serve as a bait. Now, say, abayin sounds so in the very unfortunate or in a very impossible because I feel say abayin who say NDC for ejijin into boa no more yes adie we ya. I feel say abayin ebe pre ne ho na wo no abayin ni mu akoye. But abayin who say won pre ne ho no nkoye no ma NDC for ya. NDC for enya the upper hand. They can ride on this story, and Ghanaians will believe them. Or Ghanaians will side with them. Because clearly, we all saw. Say, woman no mdio musika, it could be a school, no. And no mdio musika koye. Listen, it will be one of the very good political moves by the NDC currently, if they take this into consideration. If they take this into consideration. Na NDC for so yese wo mo koye. Na afi aban ba be kase da be ye project ni e ma mo nya. Then Ghanaians will know, Ghanaians will see say and the encrofu time na mo time omo. Because mo say ade ne da ho mo nya mo nye. Ohina ba be kasa. What disrespect wo hene no. Afi ya just come mo hene ne so won koye nso a. Wa wo katre wo hene ne se ende kokoye wo kwakoye sa so ma ne nye na Ghana fo be hu ne se ende ade ne be edu no it will buy more sympathy for the NDC. Listen to what I'm saying. Obi beka ende yenje tax in my NDC yenje momo me say eye ne kre but there is a way to salvage the situation. Kasa no Vomon fan to baby NDC for kasa and the baby no mo nam radio so kasa no emfa hwemba they should make the move. Ode se NDC for se voter region for neka no mu nya scanner mum se ne ya bibi besi na NDC mo aba be ye press conference amidi enfi be ye press conference mo de mo be ye press conference ba ko na mo control mo se NDC for na ye wo Ghana no yesre mo bia ntia 1 cedi. In fact, MPP 4 year bi embra no mo beto aba. Nkrofu tietia e mo de ye campaign. Inti sipen Inti mo de NDC for mo nye press conference nka say okay Ekufuado akache wo hene ne say wonye NDC for mo Ghana yesre mo we de project epese ye DC ye ni so ya na ye sha ase e na afa ye nwie ye e na ohene no yakwa disrespect no ye pese ye salvage issue no NDC ni bia wo ye Cadbury member no wonti a 1 cedi to this mobile money number Obehu the number of people a wo betia obi kra betia 10 cedis obi kra betia 100 cedis NDC for benya ska bebre no mo dis kana kwa mo hene ne se senia ye ka se ye no wa akoye oyo hini o obetumi aye obeye wie na Ghana fo ehun se afa wo hene na aye wie and it is operating now hene nso ye wie na still e was say aban so play the part na aban in player it goes in favor of the NDC and the ohene no Ghana fo be hu ne say na afa ya ade na wie adan na aban still would delay. Listen, politics no enya kasa na de bia kasa o. Sometimes you need to make some moves. You need to make some moves. Politics no. Sometimes moves be say na o ya ebema we winning hands down. You might think that the thing is happening only in NDC for some mujiji say sikane krana the way mo beba be announce angrofo betua no sikane kra bi beka na mo asanso akwa project fufuro wo baby. You see, political parties you won. It is time they need to allow some strategic campaigning. Sa MPP ni NDC another political strategy. Mo share na ga yan se motorway say. Mo share na Ghana kwan bi aye baby Ghana for complain say kwan aye we kwan na political party bi mo asheda akwa ye say o opposition a wa sheda akwa ye say me koye kwan no forever it will be in your name. Enya kasan kwan. Because if you are in opposition, Ghana for be who say, hey, even in opposition, no, wait to me aye kwan, and there wo be their sins. Let's be smart about the way we do politics. Free advice, consultancy. Free consultancy na media ma NDC for. So mo be fa, mo mfan so a. Mahama, thank you to ya wo ye. Untumi nteme se wo on seiska or seiska pa. Thank you to ya wo ye wo seiska. Mo de mo one of the thank you to CB. Mo kasa o de nya usika kan na be o de sheda aka se Ghana for ye hia donation na ye da kwa ye aplawo for e-block na momo. Na he Ghana for ebetia. She Ghana for ebetia. But at the end of the day, mutumi nya scan na mo kotua so na mo wia. At the end of the day, mo NDC, it will be there forever for you. Ghana for who because a near basem ne ho Ghana for who say, hey, NDC for dia wo mo aye. Free consultancy you, mo be fa mo fa so a mo asem.